Matthew. I'm Henry. I'm Sadie.
I'm Olivia.
I'm Remy.
I'm Justin.
I'm Daisy.
I'm Knox.
I'm Nate.
I'm Chloe.
I'm Kenley. I'm Molly.
I'm Lucy.
I'm Mattel.
I'm Vivi.
I'm Quinn.
I'm Sophie.
I'm Charlotte.
I'm Zoe. I'm Rory.
I'm Arca.
I'm Kara. I'm Isla. And this is MagTV.
Hi there, and welcome to this episode of MagTV, our last of the school year. I'm Lucy.
I'm Remy. In this episode, we will take you to the Makers Market, talk about 5th grade promotion, and show you the last Spirit Assembly where we will surprise Mr. Nelson.
And I'm Molly, and we'll have all of your monthly favorites. But first, with a look back at some of the other things that happened on campus in this final month of the school year, here's Nika.
Thanks, Molly. For this month, we had our open house to show our parents and siblings all the work we've done throughout the year. We also had state testing, focusing on English, math, and science. This week, we had a day off in honor of Memorial Day. And we know you won't forget today's field day. Have a great time out there celebrating another great year at Magnolia. Everyone have a great summer. From MagTV, I'm Nico. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Nika. This past week, we also had our final Spirit Assembly of the year. But this was no ordinary assembly. We surprised Mr. Nelson as we get ready to say bye to him.
Nate takes us there.
That's right, guys. Last month, we had a Dress Like Mr. Nelson Day. This month, one more Spirit Assembly that had a surprise element to it. Everyone was in on it. The teachers rehearsed, and we all danced in tribute to Mr. Nelson, who was never afraid to dance in front of us. Were you surprised?
Yeah, I was shocked. I mean, I kind of thought there would be some sort of a group. I thought, oh, maybe there'll be a teacher or two that'll be involved, but to have the whole school kind of be part of a flash mob for my last assembly was pretty cool.
As we know, Mr. Nelson is leaving Magnolia after 8 years to be the new principal at Calavera Hills Elementary.
It worked. Yeah, I feel like all the kids did a fabulous job. The teachers were great sports, and they all joined in, and it made it magical for everybody.
And this is one more way to show them how much we'll miss him. From MagTV, I'm Nate. Back to you, Remy.
Thanks, Nate.
Also, this month, students across the whole campus showed off their business skills. We had the Makers Market, and Vivi had to look. Thanks, Lucy. Magnolia students had the chance to open up their own booths for the Makers Market, selling their own creations or their own products. What are you guys selling?
We are selling chocolate chip cookies, brownies, and customizable slap bracelets. I'm sewing brownies with my sister and my mom.
Bouquets, little flower cards, and bookmarks.
I'm selling soda, candy, and waters.
And Nico, what are you selling?
Strawberries.
How do you feel when someone buys your product?
I feel very happy and kind of relieved.
The booths were $5 and several hundred people showed up to take part in it. What a great showing of the future business men and women starting right here at Magnolia. For MagTV, I'm Vivi. Back to you, Lucy. Thanks, Vivi. Hey, we're not only saying goodbye to Mr. Nelson when the school year ends.
We're also saying goodbye to all the 5th graders.
Knox has more in the 5th grade promotion. The 5th graders are getting ready to head off to new schools. But not before they walk across the stage here at Magnolia and are honored for their hard work to graduate from elementary school.
Promotion is coming together really well. We every year have a great committee of parents from our PTA that help us put it on. And we're working right now to kind of take care of some of the finishing touches, looking at some of the speeches that kids are going to do, setting up our live stream. We're going to have a live stream for families to watch if they're not here in person. And we're going to be having auditions next week for our students who are going to sing the national anthem at our promotion ceremony. So it's all coming together.
How do you feel about this being your last year at Magnolia?
I feel excited to go to middle school, but I'm also sad because I've been here for my whole life, and it's like my second home.
I feel like I'm going to be kind of sad because Magnolia is a really good school, but also I'm going to be happy because I'm moving to Valley, and Valley seems really fun. It feels really good because I can try a lot of new things. They have a lot of cool stuff that they don't have in elementary school, and so that'll be fun. And a lot of the whole field trips, electives, the 6 periods. I'm really excited. Are you excited to go to Valley or any other middle school?
Very excited. But I'm also scared that I'm gonna get lost finding my classes, so.
Best of luck to our 5th graders, no matter where they're headed next. They're Lions for life. One final time, at MagTV, I'm Knox. Back to you, Molly.
Thanks, Knox. While we say goodbye to the 5th graders and Mr. Nelson, we also say hello to someone else. That would be Mr. Leach, who we learn will be our new principal next year.
We sent Kara to meet him and introduce him to the Magnolia community.
Hi, Mr. Leach. Welcome to Magnolia. How do you plan on getting to know the students and the staff?
I think I just want to be like as present as possible. So like this morning, it was really fun during drop off to just say hello, meet some of the students, meet some of the parents. And so yeah, I just want to be around, out of my office, in the classroom, and just getting to know who people are and what they're about.
What made you want to work at Magnolia?
Well, I just love the community here. I love that, you know, we're coastal, we're near the beach. I love that we're innovative and we try new things like MagTV. It's just a really nurturing, connected place. And I'm really excited to just be part of that community.
What do you expect from the students?
You know what I expect? I expect students just to try their best. And I expect, you know, I don't expect perfection out of anybody, but I want students to feel confident to try something that they haven't maybe tried before, or to work hard at something that they maybe aren't as good at. Because I think it's important sometimes for us to be able to fail in a comfortable setting where, you know, you can challenge yourself to be a better you.
Tell us about your family.
Well, so my wife, Courtney, grew up in Encinitas, so just down the road. And then I have 2 daughters. I have a daughter named Gracie, who is in 2nd grade. And then I have a daughter, Annie, who's going to be in kindergarten next year. And I forgot, I have a dog named Butter.
Aww.
She's a Labradoodle that we adopted about 2 years ago. And she is full of life and energy and is a little bit crazy.
What do you like to do when you're not working?
When I'm not working, I love to be outside. So I like to surf, I like to run, do a little yoga. I also, I actually used to do a lot of video production myself back in the day when I was your age and then in high school and college. And so I love movies and film and TV. And so, yeah, watching that with my family, watching movies with my daughters, and TV with my wife is something I like to do as well.
Do you want to play a game of this or that?
Yes.
Okay. Books or movies?
Books.
Waffles or pancakes?
Waffles.
Beach or hiking?
Beach.
Biking or running?
Ooh, probably running.
Smoothies or ice cream?
Smoothies.
Summer or winter?
Summer all the way.
Ocean animals or land animals?
Land animals.
Okay.
Except for unless it's a narwhal. Narwhals are my favorite.
Thank you, Mr. Leach, for your time.
Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to get to know you all. And I'm so excited to be your principal.
For MagTV, I'm Kara. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Kara. And Mr. Leach, welcome to Magnolia.
Before we get to the next school year, we have summer break. What are your summer plans? That's the question we asked across campus in this final edition of the Line Chair.
What are you doing over summer break?
I'm gonna go to a summer camp.
Oceanside Junior Lifeguards.
What are your summer plans, Kaylee?
I'm going to go to Nationals, and then after Nationals, I am going to go to Pittsburgh and have a full vacation with my family.
I'm going to Hawaii.
I'm celebrating my birthday and having fun. Probably go camping, probably in Mammoth or Los Lobos. I'm going to South Dakota.
What are your summer plans?
To go to the pool.
I'm going camping.
I want my praying mantises to hatch, so I'm waiting for that to happen. And I want my beetle to come out of burrows.
So that's what I'm waiting for over the summer. What are your summer plans? Nothing.
Cool.
Nice.
Awesome.
That's so fun.
Awesome.
Nice.
Cool. That's so fun.
Cool.
Nice.
Awesome.
If only we could have like a vacation from dad jokes.
We never seem to catch a break.
I never do. Here's my dad and our teacher with our final dad jokes of the month.
You know, Apple was working on making a car, and they recently just canceled the whole plan. The reason was they didn't have any windows. No? Hey, what do you call an alligator wearing a vest? An investigator. Exactly. Very nice. Do you know why we play music on a piano and not on a fish? No. Because you can't tune a fish. But you can play scales on it. Why do bees have sticky hair? It's because they use honeycombs. Yeah. That was okay? That was okay? What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter? Irrelevant. Yeah. Okay. What do you call a fish with two knees? A tunny fish. What do you call a guy with a rubber toe? Roberto. What is the most reliable part of your body? Your fingers. You can always count on them. The other day I thought my printer was making music. Turns out it was just my paper jamming. What do you call a microwavable waffle on the beach? A San Diego. Hey, as you guys know, you've been with me in MagTV for 1 or 2 years now. I have 2 unwritten rules, okay? 1 and 2, they're unwritten. You guys know we're getting pandas back at the San Diego Zoo, right? What did the panda say when he left to go to the grocery store? He said, don't worry, I'll be white black. All right, that's all we got. Thank you very much. I tried.
Hey, we wanted to let everyone know that the MagTV team has been nominated for 5 Ivy Awards, celebrating video and education throughout San Diego. We'll find out tomorrow if we've won any more awards. Finally, it's time to take you to the principal's office.
For the last time, here's our outgoing principal, Mr. Nelson, and his words of wisdom.
Hey guys, it's Mr. Nelson. You're with me outside of my office. My last principal's office segment here at Magnolia for the school year and for my Magnolia career as I get set to head off on a new adventure. And as I was getting ready for today, I was thinking a lot about kind of legacy and what it means to leave a place. And you know, I think that it's always difficult to change. It's always difficult to say goodbye. It's always difficult to leave. But what I think that we can really be proud of is the legacy that we leave behind at a place. And I'm really proud of the work that we've done here at Magnolia over the years. And I know that oftentimes, you know, we feel that we don't have an impact. We're just one person in a big sea, but we all matter. When we come every day to do our best because our friends and our community and our school are worthy of our best, we help to leave behind a legacy that affects the people around us. So as I leave, I hope that's what I've done here. And I want to encourage you guys as you continue on as Magnolia Alliance, that you continue to come with your best every day so that you can leave a legacy that you'll be proud of when your time is done. That's it for me for today and for the rest of time. I'm Mr. Nelson. Have a great one, guys.
Thanks, Mr. Nelson, for 8 amazing years at Magnolia. And that does it for the final edition. I'm Remy.
I'm Molly. Have a great summer, everybody. And I'm Lucy. We'll see you next school year with another season of MagTV. And go Lions!
Take 1, action.
Take one. I only need one take. What do you mean? You don't. Okay.
All right, 3, 2, and 1.
Nate takes us. Oh.
How are you gonna feel on stage?
I'm gonna feel great knowing that I. Hi, Brooke. How do you feel when someone bright? Okay. Hi there, and welcome to this episode of this. Sorry.
The 5th graders are getting ready to head off to new schools, but not before they walk off the stage. But before they walk across the stage. But not before they walk off the stage. I hear walk off the stage. But not before they walk off the. That was a good take.
Thanks, Vivi. Hey, we're not only saying goodbye to old. Hi, Molly. What made you want to take part in this?
Well, it's good to. Wait, what?
That's true. How will you?
Thanks, Kara and Mr. Leach. Welcome. No.
For this month, we had our.
Thanks, Kara and Mr. Leach. Welcome to the Magnolia. No.
One final time. I'm gonna redo that because I don't. For one final time at MagTV, I'm Knox. Back to you. It's Molly. It's Molly. I'm Knox. Back to you. I was about to say Vivi.
First, with a look back at some of the other things that happened around campus in this final month of the school year, here's Nico.